Myself CS Patel from MCGM Virtual Class welcome all of you. Due to the global pandemic, this year's educational session is being affected. In such a situation, our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has taken an initiative to provide every student online education. So let's get started.
Okay, students, so standard fourth. See the English textbook, my English book 4. Yes, you are seeing my English book 4. So standard third. Subject English and lesson the hare and the tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. Okay, students, okay, so we will practice a good story. Yes, the hare and the tortoise. So students, myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. Okay, students, now we will practice further. The hare and the tortoise. So students, in fourth standard we will see this story today, the hare and the tortoise. See students, see tortoise left side and hare right side. Okay students, so tortoise left side and right side hare. Okay, so we will see the story, the hare and the tortoise. Listen and read aloud. Listen and read aloud. Once a hare and tortoise decided to have a race. Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. Okay, see students, hare said, "You are so slow, I'm so fast." So students, hare said to the tortoise, "You are so slow, I'm so fast." So students, you are seeing that hare runs fast while tortoise walks slow. Now see further. Listen and read aloud. Let us run a race up to the mango tree. Yes, the tortoise told, let us run a race up to the mango tree. Okay, now students, see further. Listen and read aloud. Okay, so start. Ha ha ha. The race began. The hare ran with long leaps. Hop, hop, hop. So students, you are seeing the hare is running so fast. Hop, hop, hop. Yes. And students, see further. The tortoise walked slowly. Plod, plod, plod. Okay. Now see further. Listen and read aloud. The hare came to a carrot patch. The hare came to a carrot patch. Yummy! What lovely red carrots! The tortoise is far behind. I'll eat a few carrots. Okay, students, now you are seeing that hare said, "Yummy, what lovely red carrots! The tortoise is far behind. I'll eat a few carrots." So, students, आप देख रहे हैं बच्चों, इन आवर मदर टंग वी से देखा, जब खरगोश ने देखा कि कछुआ तो बहुत पीछे है। यस, सो स्टूडेंट्स, उसको इतने अच्छे अच्छे गाजर देख करके उसके मन में लालच आ गया। बोला कोई बात नहीं, राइट, आई ईट अ फ्यू कैरेट, चलो थोड़ा खा लेता हूँ। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट हैपेंड द नेक्स्ट? बट ही एट अ लॉट ऑफ कैरेट्स। यस, क्रंच क्रंच क्रंच। यस, he ate a lot of carrots. Crunch, crunch, crunch. What happened further? See, students. Okay, listen and repeat. Listen and read aloud. Then the hare came to a radish patch. Yes, then the hare came to a radish patch. See, students, slap. What juicy white radishes! I'll eat only a few. Now, students, yes, so you are seeing that again he is greedy. Yes, so slap. What juicy white radishes! I'll eat only a few. But he ate up quite a few. Chomp, chomp, chomp. See, students, chomp, chomp, chomp. Listen and read aloud. See further. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. See, students, yes, he said, fresh leafy vegetables, so good to eat. Fresh leafy vegetables, so good to eat. So, students, you are seeing that, yes, hare is busy, he is greedy. Yes, तो बच्चों, यस, आप देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से वो खाने में व्यस्त है। बच्चों, उसको लग रहा है तो कछुआ तो बहुत पीछे है, मैं तो फास्ट चलता हूँ, चलो कुछ और खा लेता हूँ। सो फ्रेश लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, सो गुड टू ईट। ओके, नाउ सी, सो ही एट अप क्वाइट अ फ्यू। यस, munch, munch, munch. Yes, so he ate up quite a few. Listen and read aloud. Then hare was now too full. He ran hoppity hop, hoppity hop. Means, students, he is not running properly now. Yes, so yes, you are seeing. Now what happened the next? He was feeling very sleepy now. Yes, now his stomach was full and he was feeling very sleepy. Yes, what happened the next? I'll take a little nap. I'll take a little nap. So स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि किस तरह से वो, उसका पेट भरा हुआ है और वो थोड़ा सा सोच रहा है आराम कर लूँ, क्योंकि कछुआ तो बहुत पीछे है, ऐसा खरगोश ने सोचा। सो बच्चों, सी फर्दर व्हाट हैपेंड। I'll take a little nap. So yes, you are seeing that the hare is taking rest. Now, yes, what happened? See further. Listen and read aloud. He slept under a tree. He slept under a tree. He slept on and on. All this while the tortoise didn't stop. All this while the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. So students, you are seeing that yes, the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. And students, you are seeing that hare slept under a tree. He slept on and on. राइट तो बच्चों सोता रहा. यस, फुल ऑफ स्टमक, पूरा पेट भरा हुआ है. यस, बट सी स्टूडेंट्स, खरगोश लगातार चलता रहा. सॉरी, कछुआ धीरे धीरे लगातार चलता रहा. टॉर्टोइज डिडंट स्टॉप. जो कछुआ था वो रुका नहीं, वो लगातार चलता रहा. ओके, नाउ सी फर्दर व्हाट हैपेंड. Yes, you are seeing tortoise didn't stop. Listen and read aloud. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The hare woke up. He ran to the mango tree. Now students, see, the hare woke up. He ran to the mango tree. बच्चों, कछुआ लगातार चलता रहा और वो पेड़ के पास पहुंच गया. इसके बाद नींद खुली खरगोश की. He ran to the mango tree. वो तेजी से भागा. But what happened? Yes, students, see the next. Listen and read aloud. What did the hare see? Yes, students, see here. Ha ha ha. Slow but steady wins the race. Yes, so tortoise said ha 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 because tortoise has won the race. Yes, so students, now tortoise said ha 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 means he was happy because yes, he won the race. Yes, now ha ha ha, slow but steady wins the race. Yes, students, slow and steady wins the race. You are seeing tortoise won the race. Now students, moral of this story. Moral of this story is slow but steady wins the race. Yes बच्चों, in our mother tongue we say yes, चलते रहिए, भले ही धीरे धीरे चलिए, बट लगातार चलते रहिए. श्योरली यू विल विन. आप जरूर जीतेंगे. So students, moral of the story, slow but steady wins the race.
So students, subscribe BMC channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Students, we have completed today's session. So work hard. We will meet later. Thank you very much.